Welcome back. This is the same exact spot we stop when we are creating an account. Right now, we'll move on to how you can optimize your account for bio. Okay, so scroll down first. Make sure that you submit your work when you're through. And before we submit, let's now go and optimize. To optimize our bio, we've already put up to this. We want to continue from where we stop. Okay, we want to include our business address. Like I told you, you can put your street address if you want to. If you don't want to, it's not compulsory. Okay, so if you want to, you put it. This should be Lagos. And once you're through, you click on submit. Okay, and once we finish submitting it, we'll now go back to our business profile and show you how you can actually optimize it the more. So once you're through, you tell your professional account settings saved, and then you now move on. You see your return, see it, edit profile, professional account. So it has turned to a professional account straight into a business profile. So now that we've been able to do this, let us now move on and then see how we can actually optimize our accounts the more. So come back to your home page as usual, and from there go to your profile page. And right there, your profile page, you know, like this is where we're going to work on. So you click on edit. Okay. Once on your profile page, if you check up here, you will see edit profile, view archive, Ceiven team. So let's go to edit profile, and that brings us back to that same place where we were before now. So what will you do? Change your profile photo. Remember that there's no photo there on your own because it's just a new profile. But if you have a picture there, your profile photo is okay. There's no point changing it. But if you don't have, here's how you can change it. So you can actually create one from Canva or buy from Fiverr. If you watch my Facebook page creation, you know how you can actually create a profile from Canva. It's that same process. Nothing has changed. Nothing has really changed. Let me just show you in a jiffy how you can do that. So once we are there on the Canva, if you check here and say create a design, right? So you just go to your left hand side and click on create a design, and up here right on Instagram, okay? Instagram profile, Instagram, whatever it is. You see Instagram post portrait, Instagram post square, Instagram post video, Instagram profile picture. We're actually looking for Instagram profile picture. So you click on it, and I won't waste time here. If you really want to know, you can do this. Simply go back to my Facebook on to create a Facebook page, and there I took you step by step. Same process, just like you do some changes and get what you want. Okay. So this is my own. I'm going to create it. Very simple. I've teach you this on Facebook page. You're gonna create a Facebook page. You don't know about it, just check my GPA. Just check down. You see what I write about how to create a Facebook page for Facebook community. There I take you in detail about Canva. Okay, about how to design something on Canva. Now yours, it's a logo, whatever it is, design it, and let's move on. So let me just say download this and then put it on that page. So click on download. As usual, you choose what you want, whether it's PNG or JPG. So let's go back to our work. So right here, you click on upload photo. Okay. And this photo I decide to use. I click on it, and the change effect here right away. Okay. And now go to the next one. Website. I don't know. Let's continue. Now on this bio, there are things you need to know about bio setup. Okay. I just need to know about bio setup. First of all, in bio, you need to know who we are and what we do, and then call to action button. What is call to action button? Just a reason or somewhere for people to go to contact you. Okay? Maybe your website, your lead, your shop, whatever it is, your company. Just how people can link you out. And in creating who we are or what we do, we can use different formats. The feature bio format use both bullet method and normal write-up. Digital marketing teachers, and under one of the first bullet you put 200,000 plus students, Some talk about 50 plus courses, and the thumbnail say become a marketer today. So this one, I find the bio is complete. He has told you who we are and he told you what we do. So make sure that you create yours like this. And that one again, you can borrow it from this guy. Let's check. There's one I saw about one of them that actually create one that I like. Let me just show you. Yeah, the video. You see the video on? He just write up all through. There's no call to action, but just a write up. Okay. Now I see Mr. P Square on. Same thing. You see it write up and just a little bullets. Okay. So okay, that's about 2 bullets. You put 2 bullets. So you can actually choose write up all through, or you put both bullet points and write up. Any one you want to use is acceptable. Okay. So let's continue what we are doing straight away. So on bio, we want to write who we are and what we do. I have something already I've written down. I want to just compile it and put it there. To create a lovely bio, we want to switch to our phone. We want to use our phone for bio to create our bio. So if you are with your phone right away, pick your phone, let's do it. But meanwhile, just understand that in creating a bio, you can actually use 2 methods. One, bullet point and write up, or just write up all through. For example, look at P Square. It makes use of bullet points a little and then a write up. Now look at the video. On the video page, everything is write up all through, no bullet points. So any of them is acceptable. You can also mix it together. I'm going to mix it together for you to see. So pick up your phone. Let's go straight away and let me show you how you can do this on your mobile.
Back to my phone. Let me show you how you can do this in a jiffy. First of all, you put in your name. My name is Ceiven. That's the stand for Chuks Emmanuel Igbekweze. Then Venture, which is nickname Ceiven. Okay, and I already have my Ceiven to my username. Make sure that your name, most of your username, capture your brand, your product. Don't make mistake. Make sure you capture your brand. Okay, and from there you move to your bio. So on this bio setup, that is very, very important. You want to make sure that you put a bio that will attract customers, bio that will convert. Okay, and like I told you, you want to tell them who you are and what you do, and you can combine. You can use both bullets and words, or just words alone, like the video, or like 2 P Square bullet and words. Any of them can go. As for me, I'm going to use bullets and words. So let me write down what I want to write. I'll just write my business is digital marketing on this particular course, digital marketing training, or I'll call it training is okay, training, okay. Then I'll come down and say I'll now put let me put a bullet for students, so that look like students. That look like students in school. Students in school. Let me come over here and check if I can see. Okay, so look like a student. No, not really a student, but at least look like a student. Then I'll come and type. Okay, let me reuse one that's writing, and I'll put in 1,000 plus, then students, okay. Then bring it down, and I'll tell you, become a marketing guru today. Become a marketer guru today. Become a marketer. Right there, I'll put my bio. Okay, that bio will now link them to my website. So you put your bio, and if you are a creator, if you go to, or maybe you are maybe like a boutique, or maybe hairdresser, or any other professional services, you can easily click create an app and link them to your app. But as for me, I'm going to link them to my own page on YouTube, okay, or my page on WhatsApp, or my page on my website. Anyone I want to do is when I want to link them. So it depends on what you two want. Anyone you want, link them to that particular place. Okay. So look for bio again, link, look for a bullet. Something nice. I'll use this. And then email after this. I'm going to include my website. Let me put my YouTube account. Okay. And our work is safe. You see what you see it, digital marketing training, 1,000 plus students, become a marketer guru today. Then under there you see my website, but I'll see that now my YouTube again side to be two. I want to link up together. So once you're able to be here, let's now go back to our laptop and continue.
Yeah, so be able to edit our profile. If you change from what I did on mobile phone, everything now is complete. Okay, as usual, you take your gender, if it's male or female, you pick it up and choose the one that is necessary. Okay, and once you finish everything, don't always forget to submit your work. Okay, don't always forget to submit your work. And the one we did on the phone as well, read and submit it as well. So this one way you can optimize your profile. But let's go on. This is exactly where we stop on our mobile phone. So use my phone to create a bio because of these bullet points. I can to put the bullet there. Okay, depending on what you want. If you have your phone and your laptop, you can do it like this, or simply use your laptop all through. Okay, so come over here and continue from where we stop. Yeah, if male or female, you choose the one that you belong. If you're a male or if you're a female, just choose the one that's appropriate for you. So you choose, as for me, I'm a male, so I'll choose male. Write down and continue. So the moment you are through with this, let's now come back to our website. If you come over here, let me take you to the Instagram page, and then get everything settled once and for all. So on the edit page, you're able to, this is what we're able to create so far. So you click on the blue to save your work, and this is how far you can go on updating your profile feed. See you in our next class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.